Hello everyone, my name is Prince Kumar. I'm an assistant professor in Department of Botany, TS College, Hisua, Nevada of Magad University, Bodh Gaya. Today we will be discussing about the basic introduction of plant pathology. So the first question is, what is pathology? The study of plant diseases is called plant pathology. This pathology, the term pathology is derived from two Greek words, pathos and logos. Pathos means disease or suffering, and logos means to study. So therefore plant pathology means study of plant diseases. So this plant pathology is the branch of botany that deals with the study of the root cause of disease and then resulting losses due to that particular disease, and it also deals with the management of that particular disease, how to control that disease and mitigate that economical losses. So what is plant disease? How do we define the disease? Let's assume if plant is healthy, it can carry out its normal physiological functions to the best of its genetic potentials. But when there is a harmful deviation from its normal functioning of its physiological process, then the plant may be said to be diseased. And this is a classical definition of diseased plant. This definition is accepted by Federation of British Plant Pathology. In other words, disease can be defined as a physiological disorder or structural abnormalities that is deleterious or harmful for the plant or its part or its product, so that that reduces its economical values. So the conditions necessary for pathogenic diseases, in order for a pathogenic plant disease to occur, there are three conditions must be met. So, and these conditions are the host plant must be susceptible. So the first condition is susceptibility of host. The second condition is a virulent pathogen must be present. So the next parameter, the next condition is the environment. It must be suitable for disease development. So there are basically three things: environment, host and pathogen. When all these three factors must occur simultaneously, either one of these factor is absent or unfavorable, then disease cannot occur. So if all these three parameters are present, then it causes a disease. And if the more these three circles overlap, the more severe will be the disease. So this is kind of disease triangle where three parameters and it causes disease. So there is another term, it's called MAJ, disease parameters. Time is often considered as the fourth component of plant disease development. So that fourth dimension is called time. There are another one more dimension which we can add, the humans. The human equation can affect all these three components of the disease triangle and should be considered as a fifth component in this disease development. Okay. Next, how do we classify plant diseases? We can classify plant diseases based on the causative agents. It is if the disease is, it can be infectious disease or it can be non-infectious disease. If this plant is there is a causative agent like bacteria, virus or fungi, when that particular pathogen can transmit the disease from one plant to another plant, then we call it infectious disease. But when the environment is unfavorable and then the disease occurs, so it cannot transmit the disease, that's why we call it non-infectious disease. So on the basis of cause, the plant diseases is of two type: infectious disease and non-infectious disease. And on the basis of the symptoms, there are different types of symptoms, and on the basis of symptoms, the plant diseases can be classified into basic 5: blights, rusts, smuts, rots, and wilts. So this is the classification, basic classification of plant diseases. We will discuss these separately in next video sessions. Thank you so much.